Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing my review of the SteelSeries Stratus Duo. I've had this controller for about like a month now. Today is December 17th as I'm recording this video. I've had this controller for about a month now. I had to get it replaced because the thumbsticks were not working like they were supposed to. So far the replacement controller has worked great so far, and I will be showing you guys some gameplay here of Asphalt 9 on GeForce Now. Yeah. So this is the Stratus Duo. Very nice looking controller. So you guys got your buttons here. It has like a PlayStation layout here. So if you guys are a fan of the PlayStation layout, this is the controller for you. There is one big con that I don't like about the controller. There is no rumble on this controller, so if you guys want a controller with vibration on it, this is not the controller. There is no vibration on this controller at all. No vibration, nothing like that. So that's like the biggest con that I have about the controller. But other than that, it looks great. It looks nice. It feels great in the hand. It's made of plastic, so keep that in mind. If you guys want to buy this controller for yourselves, I will have a link to SteelSeries website down below where y'all guys can buy directly from SteelSeries. It's $60 on the website, but you guys can go to Amazon and different places to get it for a bit cheaper. So keep that in mind. And also, if you guys do get if you guys do buy this controller, get a warranty with it as well, just in case anything is wrong. So buy a warranty and you guys will be good to go. I think controls on there, I don't know, but yeah, you guys got your buttons here, your D-pad here, your buttons for your share, home, and pause button here. Your joysticks here. The buttons are sometimes hard to push in, but you can push them in and they will work. You have your A, B, X, and Y buttons there. Xbox vibes there. Your battery lights are up here. You guys have 4 of them, 25, 50, 75, and 100% respectively. So yeah, and you have the SteelSeries logo on top there, which is very nice. Like I said, it's made of plastic, so keep that in mind, alright? Now, if you flip it to the other side, or to the top of it, rather, you guys will have your R1, R2, L1, L2 buttons. Your Wi-Fi Bluetooth switch here. Your reset button right here. Your micro USB charging port to charge the controller. You can also charge the controller and use the controller at the same time, so that is very cool. You guys have your battery indicators here, and your power button here. Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it off now so you guys see the controller better. So it is power on. It's connected to controller 1. So yeah, it works and all that. You guys want to see your battery, how much battery that you guys have left. You guys can see that I have 2 of them, which means I have maybe 50% battery life, maybe slightly less than that. So the way how the lights will work is the first light is 0 to 25, second light 25 to 50, third light 50 to 75, the fourth light 75 to 100 respectively. Alright, so each light is 25% battery, so if it's filled up, it is 100% charged. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some gameplay here of Asphalt 9 on GeForce Now. So let's go and check this out. I'm gonna pause the video here so you guys don't have to wait for the game to load. So I have the free tier of GeForce Now, so that's why I have almost 400 people in front of me to get in to the game. So I will pause the video here and I'll come back when the game is ready to go. Alright y'all, I'm back. So now the game is finally ready to play. So I'm gonna show you guys some gameplay of Asphalt 9 on GeForce Now. So let's go ahead and check this out, So that was a while, so I had to wait a while to get this game started because I have the free tier of GeForce Now. So let's go ahead and check this game out here. Try to zoom out so you guys can see it there. So yeah, there is Asphalt 9 there. There's my car. Yeah, that's to see that the thumbsticks work. All the buttons do work. The controller is connected because it said it was connected. So this is my Mitsubishi. I don't know what type of car this is. I have no idea. Very nice looking car. It's kind of like a light bluish color. Pretty nice. So yeah, let's get into some gameplay here. Let's do it. Alright. I will upgrade and do all that later. Let's just play. So yeah, I'm showing you guys some gameplay here of Asphalt 9. This is a really cool game. I do like it a lot. It's available on different platforms. So I have the Steam version of the game. So yeah. Let's roll. Well, hopefully I'll get first place on here. We'll see about that, maybe. Okay, I didn't know they weren't trying to do that, but alright. So yeah, basically you try to get first place and all. It's a really cool racing game. It's been out for like a few years now, I guess. It's a really cool game. Like I said, it's available on different platforms. Yeah, so if you guys like racing games, then you guys go. So yeah, I'm currently in first, and I'm about to, I don't know, a little startup there. I got first place there. So yeah, that's basically the game. You try to get first place and stuff like that, and you can upgrade your car and stuff like that. I don't know why the hell I did that, but yeah, I don't know why I did that, but yeah, that was interesting there. So I'm on level 2 there, which is nice. Yeah, very nice looking game. I'll go into the next track there. So yeah, I mean that's basically it of the gameplay for Asphalt 9. So yeah, so there is my review of the SteelSeries Stratus Duo. Link will be down below to what you guys can buy from SteelSeries website. So check it out if you guys are looking to get a controller that can work with Windows and Android. So check it out. It also works with Chromebooks as well. So pretty cool there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.